Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a technical issue that crops up when you are doing optimization of your robots. And a lot of traders don't know, firstly, that the error has occurred, and secondly, how to resolve the error. I must make a disclaimer, I am in no ways a technical IT person, so what I'm going to be showing you is a very simple way that I have found to resolve this error. Now, this error mainly occurs when you are trying to do optimization using the strategy tester of MetaTrader. So here I have a setup. I've got the tradable RSI, the pound, and I'm going to do a quick optimization. And before I do that, I always do a run without optimization to see if the EA is trading. So I'm going to click on start, and there you see it has done a run, and we look at report and we see, oh no, there's no results in the report. Now, when this happens, the first thing that I do is I go to the journal to see if there are any error messages. So I click on journal, and there we are. There are 3 error messages highlighted in red, and the first error message, and you read them from the bottom, is cannot call kernell32.dll get module handle W, kernell32.dll not loaded. Okay, so they're saying there's a file missing and I cannot do my optimization, and because of that I can't load the tradable RSI and I can't initialize it. So it's a big problem, and the problem stems, I take it, from Windows 10 that has this file, but some software cannot access that file. So you have to either load the file into your operating systems, or you need to load the file into your MetaTrader platform. And that's the easy way that I'm going to show you today, because getting involved in the operating system is a little bit too technical for me. So the first thing you then do is you say, okay, it's a DIL, so I must make sure that the platform has been set up to accept DILs. And how you do that is you go to the tools section, you look at options, and you look at the expert advisors label, and you make sure that allow DLL imports is ticked, so that the application can work with DLL files. So that's the first thing you do. If this is unticked, then obviously you've told the program don't work with DLL files, and it won't do this optimization. So that's step number 1. Now the next step is the tricky one, and I've tried to make it as easy as possible for you. So the next step is to find that particular file. Now there are various ways you can do this. You can do the reliable thing and search on Google for that particular file, and lo and behold, you'll find quite a few websites where you can actually do the download of that file. So you can download it from a number of websites, and it will go into your download folder, and then I'll tell you what to do from there. Now the other thing you can do is, I've already done that download for you. I've posted the file in our forum. There it is. It's obviously free access to that. If you're not a member of the forum, you merely need to join. It's free, and you can then go and download this file. And once you have downloaded it, I'll show you what you need to do. So now you've got this error message. Now you've downloaded your kernell32.dll file. What do we do next? So what we do, and you go to your download folder. If you've downloaded it from the internet, you'll get it there, or if you downloaded it from our forum, you will get it in your download folder. There it is. So what you do is you right click and you copy that file. Then what you do is you go to the platform that's giving you the problem, you click on File, you click on Open Data File, and there you are in the platform's data file. Now what I do is I just copy it over there. And if you want to, you can also go into MQL and copy it into there. So now you have the file in your platform. So we can now close this. Now, before you run again, you have to reboot your platform so that it can acknowledge that file. So that's what I do. I simply close the platform and then I open the platform again. So now we're back to our original test where we want to run the tradable RSI for over a few days. And what I'm going to do now is I just click on start. And now I am getting a result. So that is how you fix your kernell32.dll file problem. And that's by far the easiest way. If you go and search on Google, you'll find all kinds of complicated ways to do it. Have a look at this way. It is by far the simplest way that you can do it. If you have any questions, comments, or remarks about this video, please make them in the forum at that post that I showed you, or make the comment on the YouTube video comments section. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.